This is a tutorial showing how to add a network printer to your profile. That's one that's shared from the ANS print server. Most departmental printers fall under this heading. So first go to the Start menu and click to Printers and Faxes. And now if you don't have that in your Start menu, you can also go to Control Panel and the same icon's there. So we're going to go over to the sidebar on the left and click Add a Printer. Now, as a regular user, your only option will be to add a network printer, and that's what we're trying to do right now. There are a few different ways to do this. The preferred way is to find in the directory, which is the default. So go ahead and click Next. Now, if you know the name of the printer, you can type it in here, but the easiest way is just to click Find Now. This will display all the printers on the ANS print server. And if you click this name box here, it will sort them accordingly. So right now I'm going to add one that I know its location, and many of the locations are listed here in this column. I'm going to add one that's down the hall from my office, and it's named ASCS Printer 1. So just double click this. And a moment later you should be presented with this screen. Now if this is the printer that you're going to be printing to primarily, you can go ahead and set it as the default printer. Usually for printers on the print server we don't recommend this because they could be located around the corner from your office or even on a different floor depending on your department. So usually leave that as no and click Next. And as you're printing documents you can choose which printer to go to. Many of you will have one in your office. You can choose to set that as the default printer, and then if you need to print something to the departmental printer, you can select that each time. So just click Finish. And now you can see that the printer's been added here under my listing of printers and faxes.